How's it going? Today I want to talk about this adjustable bed frame. Now this adjustable bed frame is very nice because it has the features where the back will come up, the feet will come up. It has that zero G kind of sensation where both of them will come up and you feel like you're just kind of floating on a cloud. You also will be able to help with the breathing whenever you're up on this because you're going to be at an incline rather than just being completely flat. Now for starters, this is going to be extremely heavy. So this bed frame is all there because it has the mechanisms. Whenever you open it up, kind of open it just a little so it stands on end. You're gonna go ahead and snip off the zip ties and get all of the legs out, as well as the metal bar and the hardware for the remote and the power source. The feet are adjustable and all you have to do is twist those into place. So it is very simple to set up. And then for this part that holds the mattress, you just shove it into those holes. Once you get it set up, you're just gonna connect the connectors down below and then plug it into a wall outlet. Once you have it plugged in, you're going to be able to start playing around with the remote. Now, you just have to hold down the buttons if you want to adjust because it can kind of stop at any position. But when you press flat, it'll be one press and it'll go completely flat. There's also the one press for the zero G, so you press it one time and as you can see, the motors start taking off. It does take a little bit of time for the motors to go, but it's not anything crazy. This is going to be perfect for those who maybe snore at night. They want to have a little bit of elevation. Maybe you have a bit of a head cold and you want to just help the airways go. This is ideal for that. Now, this is going to be able to support 750 pounds. There are different sizes available. If you have like a very large mattress, you can have like the two twin XLs, you can have the queen size, you can have the king, all different variations. This is extremely nice. It's very sturdy because it does have the 6 legs. And like I said before, they are adjustable so you can get this thing completely leveled. It made it more entertaining to watch TV at night because I feel like I'm more at a movie theater as opposed to just at a bed with having a bunch of pillows around. I can kind of really form this to my most maximum comfort because I can either raise the leg or the back or vice versa. So typically this is going to be something that is going to definitely upgrade the lifestyle as far as laying in the bed at night.